Hey fam, so about a month ago I had a roofer come fix a leak in my roof. After he was done, I asked him, Oga, ask me to know whether you repaired this thing well now. His response, me, I did confident, but we won't know until the rains come. Ha! And so, because it's still dry season in Nigeria, there is no way to test the integrity of what's been repaired until the rains come. And this, fam, is exactly how toxic relationships work. Some damage isn't obvious right away. Some betrayals don't surface until life applies pressure, until the right conditions expose what was always there. Here are 3 reasons why guarding your heart, your inner sanctuary, isn't just about boundaries. It's about wisdom. Number 1, not everything that feels safe is secure. Some relationships only reveal their weaknesses when they're tested. Number 2, your intuition is a forecast. Trust it, because our subconscious mind picks up patterns long before our conscious mind does. That unease that you felt, it was a warning, not an overreaction. And finally, prevention is better than cure. A small leak that's left unchecked can destroy the entire structure. The same is true for the people we allow into our lives. One toxic presence can corrode your peace, your self-worth, and your energy even before you realize it. So don't wait until the storm to confirm what your soul already whispered. Remember, misalignment is always restless. If something feels misaligned in dry season, it likely will only be amplified when the rains come. Those are my thoughts of the day. Do with them as you will. Blessings.